Okay, good day. Today is Tuesday, November 5th. I actually looked at the calendar. Yesterday I spent all day figuring out this box. I got the entrance for the DC cabling coming in. My 2 amp fuse here for the BMK battery monitor. I've got the side piece on for the Midnight Classic. I believe it's this knockout I got to take out. Do that shortly. And I'm going to show you a little gaff I did. A little hack, if you will. Inside here, hopefully we can see it. See this shiny copper area? I cut about 1 inch out of this bus bar. So I can hook up, along with the BMK, I'm going to also hook up my Whiz Bang Jr. for the Midnight Classic. Hopefully that will work. And I had to cut this material out so it will fit here. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, I'm about to take you outside. It's, let's see, roughly 11:15. I just checked my batteries. The sun just came out. I'm at 95%. And I'm going to begin to tear down. I've got this 80 amp breaker PV in, 100 amp PV out to the bank. And I got, I think, 3 more breakers to put in. And I've got the board outside marked out where it's going to go. Alright, enough of this. I'll be back in a minute when I go outside. Show you what I'm doing. Okay, here's a look at the day. I'm at 97%. I've got my generator ready to go. I've got everything here inside the shop is turned off. I'll give you one last look at the 24 volt power wall. She's about to come down. I'm going to get up here and take this tarp down as much as I can while I'm waiting for 100% charge. And I'm going to start with the inverter and then all the cabling for the batteries and all those switches, charge controllers, everything is coming down. I made myself a little punch out list here so I don't forget anything, because I am forgetful. So there's the last look at the 24 volt system. That Samlex inverter has been top notch. It's a beast. I've been running that non-stop since 2016, I think March. That's been in my campers, my house in Florida. Now it's here because we're switching over to the Magnum system, which will be very clean, very professional looking. This is my forever home. When I pass on, I'm going to get a Curtis Low. They're going to chuck my ass in the clay out back. It's in my paperwork. So I'm not leaving here ever is the point. So here we go. I'm about to start. And I think it's like 50 degrees out right now. Let's see what we got. 57.5. What's that in Celsius? How do you do this? 14 degrees Celsius. Okay. Here we go. It's about to begin. Okay, 10 minutes to 12. Got the tarp down. And I'm floating. So that's it. I'm jumping on a wall. All this stuff's coming down. That's 3 sheets of cement board that's going to go up. Help fireproof that wall a little bit, hopefully. Okay, 2 hours and 10 minutes later, months of work have been removed. Now it's time to put up the cement board. Trying to get this done before dark. All right, it's 7:30 p.m. I'm just going to go in there and check the voltage at the inside panel. I just got done hooking up that panel. My transfer switch is off. I got 50.3 volts everywhere. PV didn't get hooked up. This orange wire hanging is a temporary 12 volt service. I got to fix that tomorrow. I got to hook up my PV tomorrow. It's all dead on the ground. All right, I'm going to go switch this on. See what happens. I'll be back. Okay, it's 7:45 p.m. Same day. I just turned the inverter on and the light was blinking and nothing was coming on. And as you can see now, every light everywhere is on. Everything's working. Even the well pump works. Inside the house is all lit up. Generator's on the ground. First time I turned it on, nothing worked. And I'm like, oh man, what the hell's going on? Well, nothing worked because it helps when you turn the main breaker on. Yeah, I turned that breaker on and everything's working. For some reason, my Midnight's showing over voltage at 50.5. I don't know what's up with that. It's not hooked up to the PV. I'll look at that tomorrow. Anyway, 8:15. It's hanging on the wall. We're in power. Life is good. This will be part one. Tomorrow I'll work on it and tidy up all the wires and bring the PV in and close up the panel and things like that. All right, so that's it. The Magnum sign's up on the wall. And that's as far as it's getting today. I'm done. I got about 10 hours in this already. All right, stay tuned for part two.